Today I am doing filler for temples. So sometimes we think that the temples make us look thinner, but sometimes they can make us look older. And you know, we do not want to look older. So we can actually inject those temples and fill them out so that way you look younger. And also can help reposition the skin a little bit and help brighten your eyes. So yay, we love all of those things for temple filler. So our lovely patient has been icing. You feel cold enough now? Okay, great. So I'll have you take that away. There you go. I'm going to start right here. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. Okay, there we are. I'm right on bone. Cool. You okay? And we're going to push some filler in there. You doing all right?
Fine.
Excellent. I like fine. Fine is good with me. And you're doing all right still? Fine.
Yes, fine.
Okay, good. And they're gonna come out. No. Beautiful. Easy peasy? Great. So now we're gonna go to the other side. This can last her for a year, which is fantastic. And also, we really don't move our temples very much, even when we talk a lot like me, so it could even last longer. The product that I'm using will actually make you make collagen too, which is fantastic. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm at the bone. You're doing great. So good, so good, so good. Feel okay? Excellent. And just putting some filler right in there. You're doing so good, so great. So great, so good. You okay still?
Fine.
Good. I'm just gonna keep on doing my thing. And you got this. She's a spectacular patient. And I know this might feel like it's a little funny feeling, but coming out. Excellent. You did great. I mean, that is really basically it. One spot there, here's the other spot over here. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll come back and we'll do a little superficial, a little bit more superficial filler. We'll see, we're gonna take a look at her in a couple minutes. But that is your typical temple injection. And afterwards, I would just tell her, she might feel funny when she's opening and closing her mouth. You can have a little clicking, that's totally normal. That happens when we do down here too. She may have some swelling, but okay, we're wanting to fill, so the swelling she'll probably like. And again, I mean, really it's just like regular filler. So it's fantastic. So you did great, good job, you're hired. If you want to find out if temple filler or any of the over 65 procedures that we do at RejuvenationMD are right for you, follow us on YouTube, find us on Instagram, Facebook, find us on our website at RejuvenationMD, medspa.com.